Hello guys, welcome to Chem Study 12. Today I will discuss another question from thermochemistry. Now the question is, for which of the following reaction delta H is equal to delta E? Here delta H is the change in enthalpy and delta E is the change in internal energy. We know the equation delta H is equal to delta E plus delta Ng RT. For delta H is equal to delta E, delta Ng must be equal to 0 as R cannot be 0 as it is the universal gas constant and temperature cannot be 0 because temperature is taken in Kelvin scale, and in Kelvin scale 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin. So let's take the option. Option A is A C2H4G plus H2G C2H4G. Here delta Ng is equal to number of moles of product in gaseous state minus number of moles of reactant in gaseous state. For option 1, number of moles of product is 1 and number of moles of reactant is 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, which is not is equal to 0. Let's check the option B. Here delta Ng is equal to 2 minus 1. As number of moles of product is 2, number of moles of reactant is 1. Because here is we consider gaseous product only, no solid or liquid is considered. So the value of delta Ng is 1, which is not is equal to 0, though therefore the option B is not correct. Let's check option C. The value of delta Ng is number of moles of products are gaseous but the reactant is solid, therefore it is 0. and the number of products, moles of product only 1 plus 1, and the number of moles of reactant is 0. Moles of reactant in gaseous phase is 0, not the moles of reactant is 0, but the number of moles of reactant in gaseous phase is 0, which is not is equal to 0. Option D is CH4G plus 2O2G, CO2G plus 2H2O G. Here, now consider the value of change in number of moles in gaseous phase. The number of moles of product in gaseous phase is 1 plus 2, and the number of moles of reactant in gaseous phase is 1 plus 2, which is equal to 0. Let's put the equation, let's put the value of delta N in the equation. Delta H is equal to delta E plus delta Ng RT. Delta H is equal to delta E plus 0 RT. Therefore, delta H is equal to delta E. In option C, delta H is equal to delta E plus delta NGRT. Delta H is equal to delta E plus 2 RT. In equation B, delta H is equal to delta E plus delta NGRT. Delta H is equal to delta E plus RT. In option A, delta H is equal to delta E plus delta NGRT. Delta E minus 1 RT. So, for option D, we only find delta H is equal to delta E. So, option D is correct. Thank you.